Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to Madhi English School online education. This is the class of Standard 1. The lecture of mathematics is going to be started. Here we are going to start our day with a meaningful thought. All of us do not have equal talent, but all of us have an equal opportunity to develop our talents. My dear students, as our 5 fingers are not in the same shape or size, we all are having different talents, different passions. But Almighty has given us an equal opportunity to develop our talents or passions. We just need to improve ourselves. Let's begin our journey to make development of our talents. Best of luck, everyone. Welcome again. Tell me, how are you all? Happy? Relaxed? Learn to new things? Very nice. Get ready with your book, pencil, as you all have to write revision of FA3 examination in your book. Yes, my dear students. From today onwards, we are going to start revision of FA3. So write the heading first, revision FA3. As I told you in each and every lecture that before we start the lecture, you must copy the heading in your book. Syllabus of FA3 exam. Chapter 7, Subtracting Greater Numbers. Chapter 8, Measurement. Tables 6 and 7. Paper style. Question 1. Subtract by counting back. Question 2. Subtract the following. Question 3. How long each object is? Question 4. How much does it hold? Question 5. Complete the table from table number 6 and 7. Everyone write down. Question 1. Subtract by counting back. Subtract by counting back. Counting back to subtract. Suppose there were 18 animals watching the race and 3 animals left early. How many animals were left watching the race? What does it say? That there is in the jungle 18 animals were watching the race. After some time, 3 animals left early. So we have to find out the number of remaining animals watching the race. Let's see how can we solve this. 18 minus 3. Start with the bigger number. Means first of all choose the bigger number among the given 2 numbers. If you observe here 18 is bigger number. So keep number 18 with you. Minus 3. Count back 3 numbers before 18. 17, 16, 15. You will reach at 15. 18 minus 3, we get 15. There were 15 animals left watching the race. I hope you all understand how to make subtraction by counting back. Write down sum number 1. 19 minus 2. You all have to write, 19 minus 2. Let's see how should we write the numbers. 1 at tens place, 9 at ones place. Make subtraction sign out of the box. You should not make sign here. You have to make subtraction sign in this box. Write number 2 at ones place just below number 9. Some of the students makes the mistake, they write number here or they make subtraction sign here. But this is the proper way to write the sums. Now, SV wants to solve this sum by counting backward. First of all, keep the bigger number with you. Start with the bigger number. Now see, which number is bigger? It is 19. Minus 2 means make 2 steps backward counting. 18, 17. You reach at number 17. Write down the answer in the given box. 19 minus 2, 17. I am waiting for you. so that you all can copy the sum properly. "19 minus 2, 17. Start with the bigger number, which is 19. Make 2 steps backward counting. You reach at number 17, which is the answer. Copy it in the answer box. Write the sum 1 to 12 minus 3. "12 minus 3. Make sure that make a subtraction sign at its proper place. Write number 3 at its proper place. 12 minus 3. You all are writing now? Very good. Write the numbers on its proper place. I am detecting very slowly so that you all can copy. As this is the revision, you all have to write with me. 12 minus 3. Now look, my dear students, I am going to explain the sum which you should not copy in your book. This is just an explanation part. While making solution of subtracting by backward counting, first of all start with the bigger number. Now see, which is the bigger number here? You have to learn how to make oral counting. So, first of all start with the bigger number, which is 12. So keep number 12 in your mind. Minus 3 means make 3 steps backward counting. "12 before 11, 10, 9. By making 3 steps backward counting, we reach at number 9. That means number 9 is our answer. Copy it here. 12 minus 3, 9. Again, make sure that you have to write this number 9 at one's place. You should not write it at a tens place. I am repeating this again and again that in mathematics the number is very important. The position of the number, the place of the number where you are writing it. So here 1 to 12 minus 3. 12 is bigger number. Before 3 steps 11, 10 and 9. So 9 is the answer. Write down in ones column. You should not write at tens column. I hope everyone has made proper copy. Write down the next sum, 16 minus 2. 1, 6, 16 minus 2. Look at the screen. How to write the numbers. As you all are using square line book, So copy the numbers as you have seen in the screen. 16 minus 2. First of all, find out the bigger number. If you observe that we are having 16 and 2. So we can say that 16 is the bigger number. Keep number 16 in your mind. Minus 2 means make 2 steps backward counting. 15 and 14. You reach at number 14. One, 4, 14. My dear students, this is an explanation part. You should not copy this part in your book. You have to copy the sum. 1, 6, 16 minus 2. 16 is the bigger number. Keep it in your mind. Make 2 steps backward counting. What does it mean by? You have to count the number that comes before 16. 15, 14. We reach at number 14. So 14 is our answer. We have to copy it in answer box. 16 minus 2, 14. I hope everyone is writing with me and you all are understanding the topic how to solve subtraction by counting backward. Write the next sum. 11 minus 2. 1, 1, 11 minus 2. Write number 2 at ones place. Now think in your mind, which is the bigger number, 11 or 2? What do you think? 11 is the bigger number. Start with the bigger number. Make 2 steps backward counting. 10, 9. We reach at number 9. What does it mean by? It means 9 is the answer. Write down in answer box. While writing answer, what should you keep in your mind? That you have to write it at ones place only. 1, 1, 11 minus 2. Start with the bigger number, which is 11. Make 2 steps backward counting. 10, and 9. We reach at number 9, which is our answer, that we have to copy in answer box. I am waiting for a while so that everyone can make proper copy of question and answer. One four 14 minus 1. 14 minus 1. Now observe, which is the bigger number? We have two numbers here, 1 4 14 and 1. We can say that 14 is the bigger number. Start with the bigger number. Minus 1 means make one step backward counting. We reach at number 13. Write down the answer in answer box. 1 4 14 minus 1. Start with the bigger number, which is 14. Make one step backward counting. You reach at number 13. So, copy the answer in answer box. While writing the sum, what should you keep in your mind? That write the numbers on its proper place. One 6 16 minus 6. Write down the sum. 16 minus 6. Now see, which is the bigger number, 16 or 6? What is your observation? What do you think? 16 is the bigger number. Am I right? Start with the bigger number, which is 16. After that, make 6 steps backward counting. Start counting with me. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. We reach at number 10. What does it mean? It means 10 is the answer. 16 minus 6. As 16 is the bigger number, keep it in your mind. After that, make 6 step backward counting. Means count numbers that comes before 16. At the end, we reach at number 10, which is our answer. So we have to copy it in answer box. One 18 minus 0. Write down the sum, my dear students. 18 minus 0. Now think in your mind, which is the bigger number here? It is 18. Minus 0. Now think in your mind what ma'am has said. Whenever we are going to make subtraction of a 0 with any number at the end, we get the same number as an answer. So 18 minus 0, we get number 18. Everyone copy the sum properly. 18 minus 0, we get 18. Fifteen minus 15. 15 minus 15. As we are solving this sum by counting backward. Now compare these two numbers. This is 15 as well as this is also 15. Means these both numbers are same. So again I want to repeat the rule of subtraction, that whenever we are going to subtract the number with number itself, we get a 0. So write down 0 in answer box. Here both numbers are same. So copy the question as well as answer properly in your book. 17 minus 16. Write down the sum properly. 17 minus 16. Now observe it properly and tell me, which is the bigger number among these two numbers? Either 17 or 16. Yes, 17 is the bigger number. By making 16 steps backward counting, we reach at number 1. So we can say that 17 minus 16, we get 1. My dear students, this was the revision of subtract by counting backward. Today in your homework, you have to make practice regarding the same. At your home, everyone stay safe, stay happy. Take care of yourself. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, thank you very much and bye-bye everyone.